One of the legal battles is now over, and tonight the former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin is facing another murder charge in connection with the death of George Floyd.
ABC 6 News reporter Rachel Mills is here with the very latest. Rachel?
Laura, District Judge Peter Cahill decided Derek Chauvin should also face a third-degree murder charge along with second-degree murder and manslaughter. For months leading up to the trial, there was a push by prosecutors to reinstate this charge. So let's break down the different charges and what they mean. For the manslaughter charge, the prosecution has to prove Chauvin's conduct caused Floyd's death without intention. The focus is on whether or not Chauvin knowingly made reckless choices that led to Floyd's death. The maximum sentence is 10 years. To be found guilty of second-degree murder, the prosecution would have to prove that Chauvin intentionally caused Floyd's death without premeditation, but with intent. The maximum sentence is 40 years. And now for this third-degree murder charge, the prosecution has to prove that Chauvin's conduct caused Floyd's death without intent or premeditation, but he acted in an obviously dangerous manner. Max sentence is 25 years. Fillmore County Attorney Brett Corson helps us understand why Chauvin is facing multiple charges.
In a criminal case, you have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, so it's a pretty high standard. And so that's the alternative argument to say, well, if we couldn't prove each and every one of these elements for the second-degree murder, we believe we have the elements for the third degree, which is a less serious offense, but doesn't require some of the things that a second degree may require.
Corson says in layman's terms, the third-degree murder charge is basically a safety net for the prosecution if it can't prove the tougher second-degree charge. Chauvin's attorney appealed to the state Supreme Court, saying it's not fair. Just yesterday, the state Supreme Court denied that request, which meant the district judge got to decide, and today he did.
You know, the good thing is they're kind of trying to get all that vetted and, you know, discuss kind of all these legal issues before, you know, it gets to the jury, so that hopefully most of those issues are settled, and then they can, you know, hopefully present the jury with the facts and then how they apply to the law.
Also today, a sixth juror was chosen on day 4 of jury selection. What we know about juror number 6 is that he was described as Hispanic by a pool reporter, he drives a truck route, and he has seen the full video of Chauvin's encounter with Floyd. So far, the jury consists of 5 men and 1 woman. 12 on the jury pool are needed and at least 2 alternates. Opening statements are set for March 29th.